Alright guys, I just read on Facebook that somebody was asking about a remote. This is a remote control that I designed, and now the Butler has 3 speeds to run, as many of you know. I typically only run at 1500, and so this remote has got 4 pads on it. And so I need the top 2 pads to engage and start the system, number 3 for my pump and number 4 for my speed control. But if I at any time want my Mach 2, I just engage it at the panel. But I only, like I say, run it at 1500, so here it is. And I could run this up to 600 feet away and no issues. Watch that blue light on those 3 switches there at the bottom over here. That's my cat pump. That engaged. Now here's my speed control. Brings the unit up to 1500 RPMs like I normally run. And what's so cool about this is if I am going to be moving furniture, I don't want my pump sitting out here running in bypass. And so if I need to talk to the customer, I'll just power down my pump. You see that light go off, the blue light. And if I'm all done with my cleaning, instead of leaving everything ramped up, I will just power it down to standby idle while I'm wrapping everything up. And then when I'm done, I power it off. It's that simple. The next upgraded remote, instead of having the 4 keypads, will have 8. And I can think of 4 more things that I could use on that 8 keypad remote. But again, it's more money. So there it is. One and only like it. There's not another Butler that I'm aware of that has a remote start feature like this. Watch that blue light, cat pump, and then my speed control. There it is. Chip's Butler Service First. Thanks for watching.